Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to create a new blank Word document for Mac Office on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, the application, Mac Office, Microsoft Word. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to Launchpad, now go to Mac Office, click on the folder, open up Microsoft Word. And now we will be given the option to create a blank document. Let's just click on this or double click. And now on screen we have a new blank Word document that will allow us now to word process and start the work we require. So we can now quit Word. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.